and extroverts alike.
Every one of you has a value and ideas that can change the world.
Skyline can be good, but next year can be better.
Your vote matters.
Your voice matters.
Help ignite a change, vote James Gibby and Alexis Healey for SBO President and Vice President. Light me up! Woo! Ignite the change!
Hey dudes! Make next year a most excellent adventure.
And vote Ashley Peterson and Carley Vietti for student body president and vice president.
And party on, dudes!
Sugar
And spice is
everything nice.
Vote
Tyson and Healey for president and vice.
Hey Eags, don't blow it. Choose Samantha Goddard for your SBO secretary.
Hey Skyline, this is Krissy Indelicato. I'm running for SBO secretary, so vote this chick for SBO secretary.
Alright Skyline, I promise if you vote for me for MA, next year is going to be so hype. Let's make it Liddy. Don't just vote for anyone, vote Spencer Carter for Men's Association.
Hey all you Skyline fans, stand up and clap your hands. I'm Braxton Johnson, your new MA. Now that you've got the groove, let's really move. I'm here to help you rise the roof at all of our games, concerts, and events. Vote today, the lingeries are coming your way. I may be smart, but I've got it all. Braxton Johnson, vote MA.
If you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain, if you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain, if you like having fun at Skyline, showing spirit every day, then I'm the guy that you look for. Vote JP for MA.
Skyline, vote Catherine Angeroth for Women's Association. It would be catastrophic if you didn't vote Cat for WA. When you vote Hope, you get hype. Vote Hope Jackson for WA. Hey Alexa, who should be WA?
Lydia Timms, because she goes all out.
You heard Alexa, vote Lydia Timms for Women's Association President. Woo woo!
Hey, what's up Skyline? It's Alex Baker. Vote for me for Assembly's chair. Next year we'll rock.
Eagles, assemble with Paige Haynes this year. Vote Paige Haynes for Assembly's chair.
Don't miss the opportunity. Vote for Angie for Assembly officer.
Vote B-Wag, he's got swag. Vote for Ben Wagner, Assembly Chair.
Skyline, summon your eagle powers and vote Ethan Chandler for senior class president. Because I'm not your average man.
Hey juniors, did you know that there are only 72,000 minutes left in our high school career? Take a second to let that sink in. Spend that time making memories and going to fun dances and activities by voting Audrey Duff for your senior class president. We've had a rough 3 years, but now let's have the time of our lives. Make it count and vote Audrey Duff.
Hey Skyline, I'm David's son and I'm running for your senior class president. Senior year is your last year, but don't worry. There's a president among us. If you vote for me, I'm not gonna let your senior year just float on by. Events, friends, activities, dances, an amazing high school reunion. I can make it happen. So look down at your paper. Do you see that empty box next to the name David's son? So lonely, just like the old man from Up. So take your pencil, fill in that box, David's son. You'll be happy that you did.
You see this? 5'2". That's my actual height. And before you ask, yes, I do in fact have to climb on countertops to reach the top cabinet. But don't worry, I'm sure I seem microscopic to some of you, but itsy bitsy does not mean a lack of capability. And as your senior VP, I will make your last year the greatest year ever. So remember to vote Christina Dong for your senior VP, because a vote for me is one for all.
The circus, Afro circus, polka dot, Afro circus. Go with the fro. I'm Bryson Lord. Vote for me for senior vice president.
My name is Inoke Touhini. I'm running for senior class vice president. Vote for Bryson.
Hi Skyline, I'm Hannah Larson, and for vibes like these, vote for me for senior class secretary. Love you guys.
Whoa, Post Malone, what are you doing here at Skyline? What's that? You're here to tell everyone it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Pick Maggie for senior class secretary? Well, you heard it from Post Malone, kids. Vote Maggie. Bye.
Next year will be smooth with Laneia Webb as senior class secretary.
Hey Skyline, I'm Ellie Fairbanks, and I'm running for junior class president. So don't be airheads, vote for Ellie.
What's up, Skyline? Pick a card, any card. Was this your card? I'm sure it is. Vote Grace Kinghorn, the lucky ace, for junior vice president.
1.
Here's an idea. Vote for Mia Bookstaver for junior class secretary. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Maggie Garf and I'm running for junior class secretary. Life moves pretty fast and you'd never know it'll hit you. So go with Garf.
Bam Bam, vote for Sam, sophomore class president.
Halt. It is I, Richard Heckman, running for sophomore class president. What the heck, man? Vote Richard Heckman.
Skyline, I got your back. Vote Eden Candelaria for sophomore vice president.
Don't be stupid like Patrick Starr. Vote Eddie Lee for sophomore vice president.
Don't be shy, give Macy a try. Macy Swenson, sophomore vice president.
Who are you gonna vote for? Maddie Derby for sophomore secretary.
Skyline, will you accept this rose? Vote Isaac Kerr for sophomore secretary.